Welcome to HTML4 series, and this is part 40, and we are going to fix the menu in here. What we saw last time was something like this. Alright, so we had something, and this is different as compared to our version, so we need to match up. In order to match up, what my plan says is, first we need to check where we are using a border. So here I'm going to take a shortcut. The shortcut would be, rather than going to every p tag and writing the styles, I'll go into the head section and I'll say style type is equal to text/css is my style, and I'll say, just for a testing purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, border is going to be 1px red and solid, right? And let's do the preview. How does it look like? Alright, so all the paragraph tags have the border around them, and this is not such a fancy magic. This is one of the way you can do the styling. Can you imagine I had to write this whole line over and over again over here in all the p tags. So in order to avoid that, I chose this option. This is a good option, right? So you can see I have applied. Now what I am seeing correctly over here is I need a space on left hand side. I need a space in between these two guys. I need a bit of a space. Okay, so now after judging that, we need to apply the correct padding, right? So let me get back to the coffee cup, and what I am going to say is I'm going to apply padding onto my left where I feel I should have more. So I'll say 20px. Then I'll say on padding right, I'll apply the same padding as 20px. Then, whoops, what am I doing? Then for padding top, I'll say I need 5px, and for padding bottom again I need 5px. I don't need much of the space, if you see, right? So now after making these changes, let's have a look in the browser where we are. So you can see it's nice. On the left hand side we have the space as we are expecting. On the right hand side also we have a space. On the top and bottom we have 5. So it's now time for us to take out the border and see if it matches. So let's save that. Save this page and preview in browser. Okay, close this guy, close. Okay, so now it looks like we are somewhere, right? Doesn't it? Now in order to make it more real, this whole thing was wrapped within this, where is it? Oh, am I missing anything? Yup, nope, yup. 20%. I am going to take the border out now from here. Control S, and I am going to do the preview again. So the borders are gone from here, and on the left hand side I need this border. So I'm going to apply the change, which I can steal it from here. Copy, Control C, and I'll be applying over here and save. And this is border bottom. I need for border left because this is my right container. Save it and let's do the preview. Okay, so we kind of have a look something like this, right? But there's a space on the top and we don't have here, so let's do that as well. This is a table and we'll apply the padding only from the top, and that would be 20 pixel, and I think that should do. Let's do the preview again. Well, indeed it does, and it works, right? Yeah, it's nice. So you can do your math accordingly. Now let me check how much time I have. Well, actually I'm running out of the time, but you can see we have achieved the menu as well. And plus, in the next video what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a font fix for this, and I'll try to create the content plan, what are we going to use. So the next video it is, right? So thank you for watching this. If this video helps you in some way, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this. Good night and take care, guys.